respected panel. I couldn't agree more with the respected secretary from Haryana and as well as with the gentleman from HP about the importance of content. And I think it's a question of custom content which is being missed out today, apt content which can be created and delivered very easily, which is apt to the relevant audience. Most of us rely on content which is created by somebody else without realizing that that person has his own vision and has created the content, he or her has created that content depending on what he or she feels about a particular topic. But the instructor or the teacher is the best person to create content which is relevant to his or her classroom. And since we are a co-sponsor, I'll take exactly 60 seconds, if not, I risk it being short, 60 seconds to speak about this one product that we are showing here, which is called Photolity. And Photolity is a product that enhances visual learning. Now, you'll all agree that we are surrounded by billions of photos today. Billions of photos. Just to give you statistics, there are 300 million photos that get uploaded to Facebook every day. 300 million photos. But are we making good use of that content? Are we making good use of those photos? A teacher wants to teach, let's say, the landing of rover on Mars. Where is the teacher going to be able to get a poster to explain that in her classroom? What if she had the ability with one click to be able to create that poster, or with one click to be able to create comic strips out of these kind of photos that are available? So it's a question of content, it's a question of how you can be creative in creating that content. Another thing that our software does is the ability of taking those photos and converting them into various kinds of quizzes. So you can take a picture and create a quiz. You can take a picture and create a flash quiz. You can take a picture and create a worksheet. So multiple outputs. You just give the software some photos and it will do the rest for you. I think I won't take more time. My 60 seconds are done. But what I will do is I will request anyone who is interested to please stop by at our booth. And just one point I'd like to make, that if there is anyone here from law enforcement, please come and see us, because we have a very, very good story with law enforcement. We're trying our best to help secure, to do our best to make this city and country a little more secure. And it is this little piece of software that, has this length and breadth about all that I've said. So